Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of earrings. They are created using peyote stitch technique with some freshwater pearls and gold-plated stud. And we start. First of all, take one seed bead and make it as a stop bead. Just leave a tail around 10 centimeters and pass into the bead once. Then take 19 seed beads of first color. Then we will use the other color. Take one, skip one, and enter to the next one, to the second. Pull. Again, one seed bead, skip one, enter to the next. Repeat. One, skip one, and enter to the next. One into the second, because you always skip one in the middle here. And the last, skip one and enter to the next. Now we have 5 seed beads on our second row. Now you will need to take 2 and enter straight away to the next one. Don't skip any seed bead this time. Pull. And now you will need to make 4 seed beads down as well. Skip one, enter to the next. One, skip one, and enter to the next. It's 2. Again, it will be 3 and 4. You don't use our stop bead. Now turn and we work with gold seed beads. Take one, enter to the white, gold into the white, 5 stitches up, it will be 3, 4 and 5. Here where we had 2 seed beads, we take again 2 seed beads and we enter to the next. We don't skip anything in the middle here. And 4 stitches down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn. White seed beads. Again 5 up. 1. Into the gold. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we take 2, we enter to the next, we don't skip anything in the middle, down, turn, and take gold seed bead. Again 5 up and 4 down. Always the same. 5 up, 4 down. Continue the same while you will get necessary size of your future earring. This will be size what I will need. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wide on my widest part and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gold. First of all, I will secure my thread. I will pass to the beginning of my earring next to this thread. This was my stop bead, I will just remove it. And I will make a knot from these two threads. Then I will weave them inside, I will make a knot, and I will cut my threads. Our earring base is ready. Now I will prepare freshwater pearls. One of them will be in the middle, which is bigger, and two from the sides, they will be smaller. For it I will just take a head pins, my round nose pliers, and I will make loops on every freshwater pearl. Then I will take jump rings. I will open the jump ring and will attach it to the freshwater pearl and to the base. One will go in the middle of the earring. I will put it on the thread on my earring. Close it. One. And same we do with other pearls. As well, we attach it to the jump ring and then to the thread on our earring. Our last step will be we need to attach our stud to the top part. The same with the help of the jump ring. Our earrings are ready. As you can see here, technique is very simple, and when you add some freshwater pearls and beautiful studs, seed bead earrings looks very pretty and rich. From the back side they look like this, the same as from the front. Here you can decide on colors, or maybe instead of freshwater pearls you can add crystals there. It will be nice as well, or you can leave them without any decorations in the ends. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you will be able to create your own beautiful pair of earrings. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye!